Here's the latest on xtalks.com. It's been a long time coming, but U.S. patients will finally have access to the first generic version of the EpiPen developed by Israeli pharmaceutical company Teva. The FDA approved Teva's generic versions of the EpiPen and EpiPen Jr., and the timing couldn't be better for patients, as Mylan has been struggling to provide adequate supply of the auto-injector to pharmacies in the U.S. and Canada. Hello, I'm Sarah Hand, Editor-in-Chief and Webinar Moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured life science webinar for this episode is Using the PACT-Q to Assess Patients' Anticoagulant Treatment Experience in Clinical Research. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right-hand side of this video so you can always be up to date on the latest Xtalks Vitals episodes. The EpiPen shortage has been affecting Canadian patients since the beginning of the year, with the manufacturing issues eventually impacting U.S. supply starting in May. Mylan's EpiPen is produced by Meridian Medical, a Pfizer-owned manufacturer which has been facing manufacturing delays, potentially as a result of a component provided by a third-party supplier. While Teva said that it will be launching the generic EpiPen in the coming months, the drug maker has yet to release any pricing information for the combination device. The cash price for a 2-pack of Mylan's own authorized generic EpiPen is around $300, making it more than 50% less expensive than its branded counterpart. However, this device has also been affected by manufacturing problems that have impacted supply. This means that Teva's newly approved generic EpiPen may not even need to beat the list price in order to gain substantial market share. Last week, rival device maker Kaleo released a statement reassuring patients that its EpiPen rival, the Auto-Q, is not affected by the ongoing manufacturing problems experienced by Mylan. As such, the company confirmed that the device is widely available in the US and that it has sufficient supply to meet any anticipated demand. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com by clicking the links in the description box for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode, Using the PACT-Q to Assess Patients' Anticoagulant Treatment Experience in Clinical Research.